We sell many Porsches here. Now this particular one I'm about to offer you is a 992 Porsche 911 Carrera 4 GTS in the Shark's Blue. Now, like any good Porsche, it's all about the spec, and this one has a massive spec on it. It's absolutely stunning from every single angle. Still under manufacturer's warranty. The car's done 4,000 miles in superb condition, but the colour for me, it's a standout colour, Shark's Blue, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's got all the extras that you'd want, power steering plus, the 18-way upgraded adaptive sport seats, GT Interior Package, the exclusive exterior package as well, with all the high gloss sections to the air vents and the front splitter. You've then got the Porsche dynamic lighting system as well, front rear parking sensors. It's just a brilliant car, but remember you're talking 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds and 480 brake horsepower. It's brilliant, it's four-wheel drive, it's a proper sports car, up-to-date, modern, very, very stylish. You've then got the upgraded alloy wheels finished in high gloss black, and you have got the staggered wheels, so that's 20-inch on the front and 21-inch on the back. Obviously wide arches front and rear. It sits very well on the road like all the Porsches do. The GTS decals in black on the bottom of the doors, and the side skirt also has a gloss black insert. Same with the wing mirror covers and the window surround. This then has the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, the deployable electric door handles, and look at that interior, absolutely stunning. The GTS Interior Package gives you the stitching on the headrest there, the white stitching continues around the seat and the dashboard, and then this has the matte finish carbon fibre interior package, which is all that there, and also on the centre dash. The upgraded BOSE sound system, obviously automatic gearbox, 2 keys, heated seats, and the GT steering wheel as well with finishing Alcantara. Touchscreen media system, navigation, Apple CarPlay, sports exhaust, the chrono clock just there. It's got everything. It sounds insane, goes brilliant. Cup holders just there. But it really is a brilliant sports car. Round the back, you've got that lovely aerodynamic rear spoiler, again finished in black and blue. The exclusive rear light package as well, so that's all clear lensed. And then you have the sports exhaust finished in black, which again is wrapped around by the bumper. And the corner sections have the high gloss black sections as well, followed by more black on the 911 Carrera 4 GTS. It is in literally brand new condition. There's no dents, there's no scratches. But it is the way this car sounds. It's the way it performs, the way it drives, the seating position, everything about it. That is a brilliant, that's a Porsche. You've got the drive mode selected just down here. You've got the heated steering wheel just between there. The cruise control, again the lovely crayon grey dials of the GTS. Put it into reverse and the reversing camera comes on as well. P to park it up. Leather armrest with the Alcantara section, but really, it's just phenomenal. If you do your research and see what's available, you'll see that this is not only just the best value, but it has got that massive spec I was talking about. It's about to go live now. Don't miss out. If you want a great sports car, then this is it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.